Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing focus where it counts. Click the search box in the folder you need. Type the main keyword or an exact phrase in quotes. This narrows results immediately. Once done, pick the scope, current mailbox, all mailboxes, or subfolders to limit noise. Make sure to include sender or subject terms if you know them. By acting now, you avoid sifting. This first step shapes everything that follows and saves time as results populate instantly. Once results appear, refine with built-in filters. Date from subject and has attachments. You can type operators directly from Alice subject, invoice has attachments, yes to be surgical. Make sure to combine terms with and or, and use parentheses to control logic when needed. This reduces false positives and surfaces the exact message. If you want a narrow time window, add received, greater or equal 2024-01-01. These middle steps turn a broad hit. You finish by saving the query or creating a search folder for repeat use. This automates future lookups. Then sort results and use preview to reply, move, flag, or archive the messages you need. If results seem missing, troubleshoot. Clear filters, expand the scope to all mailboxes, and check Outlook indexing and sync status. Make sure offline mode is off. If indexing is stale, allow time to rebuild. That single troubleshooting step usually restores expected results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.